In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how to play 3 different types of game on the NikiLive apps. In case you are new and you don't know, Niki is another live streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits. I've made a lot of videos on that. I will drop the link to join my Telegram in the description of the video and the comment section. Please like this video, drop a thoughtful comment if you want more video like this, and ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go to the practical aspect. So right here on Niki, for me to play game, I will just click on the game icon. So the first one I will show you right here is the gift wheel. And so for you to play the gift wheel here, you can play with 10,000, 1,000, or even 50,000. So I will just start with 1,000. But to be honest with you, the higher the amount you play with, the higher you win bigger games, all right, or bigger coins. So right here I've won one apple, which is 700 coins. Okay, I play with 1,000 naira. And for you to see where your apple goes to, you will just click on the gift pack. If you click on the gift icon, you are going to click on give back, and you are going to see where your apple is, so you can use it for exchange. I've done video on exchange. Okay, so the next game I'm going to show you how to play right here. I'll come back and play lucky wheel. So when you click on the lucky wheel, it's going to pop up. So you are going to select here, it choose based on percentage. So you click on bet. Okay, when you click on bet, it's going to select what you want to bet with. It will show you can select which percentage, and then the down below you can add the plus to reduce, to add the value that you can stake, or the minus, so that you can reduce what it has selected based on what you already have. Okay, so then you click on bet. So when you click on bet, it's going to roll. So whatsoever the arrow points at, that's what you are going to win based on how much you play with. So right here we have won 539. I'm just playing with small, but to be honest with you, I usually used to play with something bigger. So but I just have like 6,000 coins right here. So the next one is lucky number. Okay, the knocking number is a bit tricky, but if you are good with statistics, or you can pay attention to what has been happening, your chances of winning bigger or predicting what next to play is going to be very high. Okay, so right here, for you to play this lucky number, is good for you to know what they are for. This SBEO, it stands for small, big, even, and odd number. All right, so and when you click this tiny clock right here, it's going to show you the time that it has been played, the result of previous playing, the winners, okay, the prizes they won. Okay, you can also click on mine to see what you have done so far before. Okay, so and aside from that, you see this question mark right here. So when you click on it, it's going to show you what has been played before. Okay, you click on the question mark, so you will see the statistics of what has been played before. And aside from that, again, you can also come here and click this statistics logo, something like I don't know what to call it, like a graph or chart. So then when you come here, you see the statistics, is it big or small, the result, the round, and all that. My battery is actually down, so yes, so you need to pay attention to all this to determine what you should bet or what you should play with, so that you can predict higher, so that you will know. Okay, so and for you to bet, you can select either big or small, or even or odd, based on what you have seen that has played, if you pay attention to it. Meanwhile, up there is showing how much how many people that are playing at the moment, and how much they have used all together to bet and all that. So it is important, don't just rush into the game. First of all, check to understand what is really happening, to be able to decide either you are playing small or big. So right now I want to give it a try, and based on what I'm seeing, it seems I'll play with small. So but I will reduce it. I don't want to play with too much. Let me use 300 coins. So it will ask me to confirm, and I will say confirm. Let me keep my fingers crossed. Let me keep my finger crossed. I hope I win, but based on what I just predict now, I think I should win. So that's how to play. Let's see. It's counting. Jeopardy win. Oh yes, so I won. So that is how to play the games. There are other games. There are two different types of games. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so if you are interested, just comment we want more or I want more, so that I'm going to show you how to play the Crazy Zoo and the other game, both of them. So I will teach you how to play it in the next video. But meanwhile, on this app right here, on the Niki app, here is my ID 61661113. Come join my family. Even if you are not in my agency, you can join my family. Okay, and if you want to join my agency, you can just drop your ID right here, so that I will send you invites. But the bottom line is, come join me on Niki, okay? And there is the link to my Niki Telegram group. But don't just go and spam and start advertising stuff. I'm going to kick you out. But for now, you can join my Telegram group, where you can drop if you want to do exchange. There are other amazing people in the family. And then hope to see you in my next video, and hope you have really subscribed to my channel and turn on notifications, so that whenever a new video is coming up, you will know, or whenever another opportunity or another app that pays you amazingly for performing live stream and other making money on the internet, you will be notified. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.